Hello, ladies and gentlemen, this is Lucas from ONEMINERS. Today I'm going to tell you how to start mining in 2025. There are several ways how to do it. Let's take it straight. What's the difference between mining coins and buying them on market? When you are buying the miner, you have one little sign. That sign is profitability. Profitability is the difference between coin price on market and mined coin. Every time you mine coin on your device, you are basically buying that coin for electricity with difference of profitability. You are basically buying coins for electricity, which is way cheaper most of the time. Some miners are not profitable, that means it's cheaper to buy coin on the market. But when we are speaking about profitable mining, like imagine it, right now Bitcoin is around 109,000 USD dollars. So would you mind to buy Bitcoin for, let's say, 60,000 USD dollars? It would be great, yeah, and you can do it. Simple as that. You just need to buy the device, the miner, the hardware itself, and start mining. And when you mine, you will get the Bitcoin for such price. Yes, that's why it's cheaper to mine. And also there is another aspect. When you are mining, you are not buying in bulk. You are buying just coin after coin after coin, which is basically a reward on pool. It's like if you every day bought some coins. This approach is way better than simple buying of bulk of coins. ONEMINERS is a leading company in crypto mining business, and here's why. To start mining with us, you need only your phone. Nothing else, just your phone. If you have your personal crypto wallet, it's easy. All you need is to open your ONEMINERS app. First, you need to buy a miner. So let's together visit Marketplace, which is right here. Let's select some reasonable miner. Yeah, I like this one. It's Antminer S19 XP Hydra. It's a great miner. It's making 26 USD a day. Let's add it to cart. Open cart. It will ask me for almost $11,000. So let's check out. We need to start somewhere. So I'm looking for host the miner. I don't need this monster to run in my basement, and also my electricity at home is not that cheap. So let's choose some nice place where to host the miner. Let's go for Finland. Yeah, they are having great drink there. So I'm going to choose Finland, which is for 6.5 cents per kilowatt hour, which is way cheaper than mine 21 cents at my home. Yeah, just start of difference. Now I will fill up all my contact information just to have something on my invoice. Now I'm going with crypto payment because I can. Otherwise, you are free to do bank transfer or ONEMINERS balance. When you get also, if you want to, you can go in person. Bring real money in our real shop, and we will also accept it. I'm going with crypto, and I am in a hurry, so I want priority processing guarantee. What does it mean? It means that miner gets processed and turned on in next 24 hours. Confirm order. Now the order is placed. Let's see what else we can do. Okay, since I already have some miners mining for a longer time, everything is running, I have some balance. Okay, let's check out our mining offering. The locations and prices for each place where you can mine. There are some differences. Some places are more, let's say, warmer or more harsh environment. Some places are colder and better for mining, but with more expensive electricity. So let's start with our rising star, Nigeria. In Nigeria, we are building our newest mining facility. It's a place which is growing beside power plant, and like everything's new, and also our price per kilowatt hour is total fresh material. For Nigeria, you are going to pay 4.7 cents per kilowatt hour. It's the lowest price per kilowatt hour you can find on our webpage, and almost lowest you could find all around the world. Next place we have Finland. Finland is a great place. It's on the north of Europe, and they are having relatively cheap electricity, great climate, and miners over there are mining great time. They are running for 6.5 cents per kilowatt hour. Then there is Norway, very similar place like Finland, but they are having slightly more expensive electricity, like 7.8 cents per kilowatt hour. It's a nice place, great weather, great condition for mining. So let's move on Ethiopia. Ethiopia is like warmer climate, but it's nothing harsh, and we are asking for 5.49 cents per kilowatt hour. It's relatively cheap and reasonable security for your miner. Next, we have USA, which is more specifically Texas and North Carolina. We are asking for 6.5 cents per kilowatt hour in these locations. It's USA, it's great. They are having semi-warm or nice climate, and it's a fine place for mining. Next is Dubai. We are mining on Shakeland, the same place where that billionaire guys exist. Actually, we have a great price of 5.75 cents per kilowatt hour, but I must note this location, the environment is a bit harsh. We are basically mining in desert with sand and everything. Don't worry. We are offering 7 years guarantee on hosted miners. When you buy the miner from us, place it on hosting, it has 7 years guarantee. We will keep it alive for 7 years. It will running for 7 years. Yes, that's the deal. But if you pull out the miner from our hosting, you will shut down to 2 years warranty overall. So keep it in mind. 7 years on hosting, but only 2 years outside. So, and we have one more place where you can place your miner, and it's Paraguay for 8 cents per kilowatt hour. It's a great place. But it's slightly more expensive than I would prefer. Okay, back to the question. So, how to start mining in 2025? The recipe is simple. Take your phone in your hand, open ONEMINERS app, buy the miner, start mining, start earning, start building your financial freedom. Because of this 7 years warranty, I can sleep great. Finally, someone is taking the responsibility for my miner and AI smart mining. You know, this thing just handles everything, handles all pool settings. Everything is just working. No need to research which miner is best for me right now, which is lower fees, which has best connection to my location. Come on, I have AI Boost, which does everything for me. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get inspired and you will give our app a shot.